Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Ben. We're back with another episode of the Summer Shred series. It's episode 9. Today, I'm gonna be taking you guys through some cookbook recipes that are high in protein, low in calories, that are gonna keep you full on a cut, or if you're trying to lose body fat, just lose some weight. These recipes are gonna help you. They're also gonna be in the cookbook, dropping very soon. I'm gonna give you guys a few tips along the way of my day, what I do to get shredded. And we also have a back and shoulders workout a little later, and I'm gonna take you guys through that, show you what I do for back and shoulders. So yeah, stay tuned. I don't even know why I said peace, because like we're right back, but I just want to give you guys a little tip. First thing in the morning, especially on a cut, get water in. You're dehydrated all night, you haven't drank water for 8 hours or however long you slept, so drink some water. I'm drinking around 2 to 3 gallons a day right now, but it's not like I'm forcing it down. The more water you can drink, honestly, the better. Obviously, you can always have too much of something, but water, stay hydrated. Try to get at least a gallon in, I'd say. But yeah, that's a little tip for you guys. And now we're gonna make one of my cookbook recipes. Make a cheese omelet. Show you guys how I do that. So this is our cheese omelet. We'll get a taste test. It's like a freaking sandwich. That's good. We need some salt though. Bruh. That thing bussin'. I got some apples, some help. That's meal 1. See you guys in meal 2. And lunch is done. As you guys can see, we got tilapia, spinach, teriyaki sauce, and then our go-to cream of wheat brownie. But instead of baking cocoa, I actually put PB2 in it, or PB Fit, powdered peanut butter. Let's do a taste test to see if it's better than the chocolate cream of wheat brownie. I don't think it's better. It's still good, but it's not as good as the chocolate one. Chocolate one is goated. Tilapia, I already know this is gonna be gas. Love tilapia. Meal 2, you already know. We're gonna see you guys in the next meal. Peace! We back with pre-worky, as you guys can see, rice cakes and Greek yogurt, another staple. You guys just saw how I made it. But yeah, so we got the whole thing of dips, geese, right here, and then a whole sleeve of rice cakes for the pre-workout. That's what we're eating. And then we're gonna go smash this back and shoulder workout, and I'll see you guys then. And we're back from the gym, I guess, but it's the next day. Didn't record last night. Camera was dead, and we were on live all night. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you gotta follow me on Instagram. Put it right there, BenXSag. We were on live all night. Didn't have time to record, so sorry about that. But I got home and I had 2 tilapia fillets and 240 grams of green beans as a post-workout meal. And then I have a protein lava cake. Recipe will be in the cookbook coming soon. And then a ice cream bar, 100-calorie Greek yogurt ice cream bar. Then I went to bed and I woke up this morning at a new low, actually, of 156.4, which is awesome. Getting shredded. You guys already know, feeling good. But that is gonna do it for the video. So if you enjoyed, sure to drop a like. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. If you need cheap bulk supplements, unflavored, that link is in the description below. Creatine monohydrate, you could get 2 pounds of it for $20. Like, you can't beat it. I know hella people need creatine. Go check that out. Link in the description to save you 5% with my code. Fitletics, best clothing in the game. You guys already know. Check it out. The new drop. The joggers are insane, bro. The joggers are insane. Go check them out. If you need a coach or a customized training program, I got you. I do that. Cookbook is coming soon. Be on the lookout for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.